Of course, we will be good. Thank you guys. If you know
Ginagawa namin yung Werewolf Boy. Sinasabihan ko sila na magandaan yung DAP. Sobrang bigat.
Hindi naman po. Tropa ko po kasi si Zeki.
Okay. Yeah, oo.
Well, I think for me naman po, hindi po talaga maiwasan na mamiss si Dylan because he really did portray Trent really well. I'll try my best, definitely.
Meron po kasi silang ibang atake as Trip Palma, so that's something to look forward to.
He just really wanted Alice to grow. And nung nakita niyo nag-grow na po talaga sila individually apart, and I think nakita na ni Drake na, okay, maybe this time it's possible.
If ever, in any scenario, if they're willing to change and commit, maybe I'll give a second chance.
I resonate with both Ashley and Julian's answer na parang in a relationship, if it comes to a point na you need to let each other go, you should know to call it quits na. But at the same time,
For Alice, maybe no? Kasi there was a better way to do it.
Yes. Yes, kasi kaya lang naman niya iniwan si Alice kasi mahal na mahal niya. So yes. Bibigyan ko siya ng ayaw bawal. Sige, yun. Yes po.
Parang medyo pwede pa siyang i-forgive because it was written in a time na hindi pa ganun ka-sensitive yung mga tao about things in book. So I wrote it, I think when I was in college or teenager pa, super young pa. So I just really wanted to put everything. I didn't really rationalize things. So I was discussing with Direk nung i-adapt na to na, okay, nilagay ko po to Direk, pero kailangan natin tong i-make sense lahat. So I'm very, very thankful po with Direk and the entire production na talagang we work hand in hand to make everything make sense. Kasi as I've said po, sinulat ko to, bata pa talaga ako and talagang gusto ko lang masaktan yung mga characters. Minsan wala lang, parang ngayon binabasa ko po to for adaptation, I was like, anong pinagdadaanan ko nung sinulat ko to? So yun po, so sa mga nagbabasahin po yung story, parang trigger warning lang na may pinagdadaanan yata ako nung sinulat ko yun. Pero, so, take the book separately and yung adaptation, although it's based on the book, I want it to be seen as an altogether different body of work. Kasi po, it's an interpretation of Derek na I really, really love and I really respect Derek po sa vision niya sa story na to.
Alright, lapit pa po tayo sa dulo ng stage, please. Let's form a straight line. Thank you so much.